Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the result code hung error in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are encountering the result code hung error on Windows 11, there are a few straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Begin by opening the browser where you are experiencing this issue. Locate the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select History, and then click on the bin symbol to clear browsing data. To ensure all potentially problematic data is removed, change the time range to All Time, and then click the Clear button. Next, click on those same three dots again. This time select Extensions, and then go to Manage Extensions. Here you will need to remove any extensions that you suspect might be causing the problem. You can employ a hit and trial method to identify the specific problematic extension by removing them one by one and checking if the error persists. After managing your extensions, click on Help and Feedback, and then choose About Microsoft Edge. This action will initiate a check for updates and automatically update your browser to the latest version, which can often resolve various issues. Finally, navigate to the Reset Settings section, click on Restore Settings to their default value, and then select the Reset option. This will revert your browser settings to their original state, which can also help in fixing the result code hung error. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.